moderated. What the f? Hey nerds, remember to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell on the notification bell. Yeah! First Ocean Gear Force, it's either Domination or Resolve. I can't go anything else because I have to go Genius Hunter. 150 ping, I would fucking fantasize if I had 100. If I had 150 ping, I would fucking come. I fantasize about having 150 ping. Taking 50 ping off my current ping right now would already be a miracle. It would be so great. Are you forced to play in an 8 server? I don't want to play in. I mean, I do want to play in an 8 server. But I want to play on normal ping, but OS queue times are too long, and it's terrible for streams. It's terrible for streaming. I'm high elo in OS. That means it's gonna be 30-hour queue times. Thank you, Nolly Factbot, for calling my stream terrible and funny. I'm humbled. Like, it's like, NA queue times, I'm playing in, I actually don't mind staying in Masters Run NA, because that means queue times are short, right? Like, I'm GM in OS, and queue times are fucking 40, like, they can get to 30 minutes easily. It's more so that, like, I don't want to fuck it. My patience levels cannot handle OS queue times, right? Oh. But does that actually mess with the thing? A little bit. Oh, shit, no! Oh, f. Oh, man, I'm down on XP, little pellet now. Why may you choose a name? Slog sounds like a funny word, and dog is, I like dogs. I hate this ping so much, guys. Guys, trust me, I don't usually get hit by those spears. Trust me. I guess we would try anyways. Oh, here's Ghost. That's fine. What the f? What the f? Okay, I mean, I'm not gonna complain about it. I'd be an idiot to complain about that, but I guess that's like the way the eyes there. Oh, look at these. Oh, dude, Dark Harvest is so sad. 16 damage. Holy shit, this John is crazy. In a literal manner. Graves puppet? Oh. I probably shouldn't hit him, because if I hit him... I was kind of smart for him to wait till 5 minutes. Okay, can somebody tell me what the f is her W cooldown? Can I ever kill her? Or like, am I, like, is this just not gonna be a thing that's gonna happen? Why does she have such an attack speed? Oh, her E, that's right. Maiden, don't run chase. Okay, good. In this chat, just because I can't moderate it. What the fuck? I mean, I'm not gonna complain, but I didn't expect that. This is the what? I've used Dark Harvest 3 times and I've done 6. This is so terrible. I'm gonna get a second plate here. This is reach. What? She really wins that? Why did she win that? I know she had the first Q, but did she really win that? 1 Q and that's it? She didn't land anything else. Ignite, but he was literally right at the end though. I'm kind of sad I lost it. I thought I'd win that. I really thought I would win that. Because I don't feel like I would lose that, right? Whatever. It is what it is. Yeah, if I conquer it, I'd fucking maul her, right? It's just that like we both have pretty shit runes in itself, so like, yeah. I thought I'd win because I have like fucking 70 minions. I'm up items, and although I did get hit by 1 Q, she never had like, I don't think she applied the hunted thing on me ever again. That fight, she applied it once and then never applied it ever again. Because if you think about it, like should I lose that really? But I win, like, come on. Almost won a 1v1 with Bruce and then leave our head. Yeah, fucking Yarks are broken. Sure. I don't. She does no damage at all, so I don't really care that much. Ow, she actually hits quite a lot. I gotta be really careful now because I just got way too low. Yeah. That is such a terrible play. That is. Thank you. Okay, he's staying. Kane, you gotta keep going. Stay. Kane, you gotta stay. Kane, you gotta stay, brother. Dream. What the fuck? That is so ugly. Holy shit. That is the ugliest pool I've ever seen in my life. What the f is that? Oh shit. Low, enjoy Iceborne Gauntlet, bro. Oh, sad. I wanted to give him the kill. I am tank, my friend. I am the supportive player. For you, my friend, who has helped me ever so graciously. Oh, shit. He can't run! Dark Harvest! I mean, Iceborne, it's so disgusting. Oh my god. He literally can't run. Redemption did. Holy shit! Wait, did it do 424 health of healing? Holy shit, dude. Yark's broken. I mean, Redemption is broken. I mean, Yark's broken. Is this a new build, meta build? Okay, meta is a very strong word. Is this a new build that you could possibly go in your ranked games in order to lose them quicker? Yeah. He's a very supportive team style character. I'm just doing it because I'm playing in an A and high ping is making me want to kill myself. Oh shit. Why did this guy run away from me? Okay, I got the slow now. The second I get a slow, there is no escaping this. Oh my, it's just torture, man. It's just torture. Oh shit. I didn't think about that equation. Aw. Well, whoopsies. That's good though, Graves gets quite a lot here. Get some damage in this tower, nice. Maybe I'll go Stoneplate or some weird shit. I don't know, dude. Maybe Cleaver for better 1v1 as well. And to get... Yeah, Cleaver could be really good actually, because it's gonna increase these 2 damage.
I hate you. Should I make ramen or cereal?
Why the fuck are you asking me? Eat whatever you fucking want, dumbass. Oh my god. Oh shit. Let's just walk back. Oh shit, it's Sora! Oh shit, sorry Sora. Cereal, because cereal is easy to make. Ramen, you need to cook up boil water, and I can't be fucking bothered for that. Yeah, if Graves dies, it's kind of really bad. We can't start a fire with Graves dying. This Kane's the really... What the What the Nashes to Vladimir? Is this a thing, guys? Nice, that's huge. I can't tell if Vladimir's actually strong or not, by the way. I have no idea. He's like completely useless, or he's actually kind of useful. I need to tank it, dude. I need tank. Oh my god. That was not good. That was really bad. We just lost so much tempo for that. That might be game over. That's pretty oh fuck. Let's go play around Twitch. I don't think this build is it. I mean, I'm playing for a team, but my team just made a huge blunders there. If we can get a good front to back, oh my fucking god. This Twitch has died the exact same way. Is that what, 2 times now? That's super bad. Twitch is just die. Whatever, it's fine. This is such a bad play. Like, we're just getting picked off before. Like, we just gotta know where Kane is. The second we know where Kane is, the game's so much easier. Okay, that's fine. Now we can just kind of fucking run it. Like, now the game's just 10 times more playable, right? That's huge. Oh my god, Miley fucked it up. Oh, it doesn't matter. Just keep listening to me, please. Okay, it's fine. I mean, this is fine. We'll get this tower. Okay, it's fine. Top tower, top inhib is, it's just 1 inhib. Like, the point is, we just got a huge fight. That's really good. This guy is so fed though. He's in both T2s. Well, this guy's hinting it, no? That's kind of sad. Wait, he just landed it again. That's huge. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait, it's fine. Wait, this Vanda is so broken. Holy shit. Wait, this item's broken. It's because I slowed him and then I got the Imperial Mandate and then Graves just popped her. That's so funny. Oh my god, this is so bad. We're just losing this push. We need Baron so bad. Okay, that's fine. Get this, bro, isn't a split push flat? It's too fucked. Oh, split push flat is too broken. Dude, this split push flat is so broken, man. Oh my fucking god. That's in the game. If this slows, oh my god, this is so good. Let's gotta play it in a chill manner as well. Oh, this could be really bad. Oh my Q, man! Holy shit! Dude, this build is so broken. This is such a funny ass build. How much damage should I do? Holy shit! I actually did really good damage as well. So much utility as well. That was insane.